A fire department's mission is to save lives, prevent injuries, and protect property within the community. And a fire department is expected to be ready at all times and provide the highest possible level of service to those in need. Chiefs, we know you're directly responsible for the safety and welfare of your personnel, responsible for the operational effectiveness of your organization, and responsible for your organization's assets and budget. I'm Dave Brose with Railside Citrus Insurance Agency, and we insure fire protection districts, public entities, and emergency response organizations. Chief, we know how many responsibilities you have and how you're always being pulled in different directions. When our phone rings, we know you might be calling us on your worst possible day and something terrible has happened. And if we've done a good job, our insurance policies will be there for you. But our insurance policies are not time machines. You see, our mission is the same as yours. We're here to protect you, protect your personnel, and protect your organization in any way we can. That's why we put together these workshops for you, Chief. It's our version of public education and community outreach. We call our workshops a morning of how not to, because we know that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. If we can help you avoid a mistake or help you avoid an issue, we've done our job. We held our third workshop in this series on February 15th, 2023 at the College of DuPage. We covered leadership, legal issues regarding hiring and recruitment and retention, and also changes to federal line of duty benefits. For those of you who attended, thank you. We hope it was time well spent. And here's a quick recap. We hope to see you at the next one.